Hi there and welcome back. So I'm here to do a quick flip through of my last summer kit. So there'll be no more flip throughs until it's fall. I'm currently working on fall kits, and as soon as they're ready they will go up in the Patreon shop, and then about 4 to 6 weeks later they will go up in Etsy. They are cheaper on Patreon, and you get exclusive sheets and freebies on Patreon as well. Okay, so the first two sheets I'm going to show you are freebies on Patreon. This is called Woodland Story. It's a kit that I designed with Denise in mind. I thought it would suit her. So this is one of the freebies. So these can be used in a variety of ways. If you've seen my flip throughs before, I have done these pieces before. So they can be used for tip-ins and things like that. They can also be, like an envelope topper. You can also cut this bit off and it could be a side tuck or a belly band. You can round this corner and it could be a tall, thin tag. So yeah, lots of different uses. And this second one, which is another freebie. So we've got two little pockets that just folds around. So because this side's printed, you will want to print that side, which I haven't done. And then you could just paper clip them in. You don't have to stick these down. And then there's just a little card there. I don't know why I didn't put any more cards on there. I don't know. Sometimes things, slip my mind. The next 5 are exclusive. If you buy the kit on Patreon, you get it 40 sheets instead of 35. So this is one of those sheets. A lovely envelope, a large one, so you can do it 2 to a page and get 2. We've got some, I'm calling these like stationery pieces. Obviously you don't have to use them as stationery pieces. They could be large journal cards, and with that in mind I created this one too, which you can put on the back, so you've got your writing spaces there. I'm pretty sure these do line up. Yeah, I've not actually done it by hand. I've done it on the computer and it worked, but I haven't physically done it. I'll have to ask Denise if she's done it. So they're another 2 freebies. Obviously you can use them together or separately. So that's those. And then we've got this beautiful backing piece, which will be lovely. You can either use it in your journal or make a ephemera with it. And the print would look nice 2 to a page as well, to get smaller. You could also fussy cut some of these things out or tear around it. And then we've got another sheet, the same kind of thing, but in the greens. So they are the 5 sheets that you get when buying it from Patreon. So this is the actual kit. It's a 35 page kit, and it's so pretty. I've seen Denise has made a journal for her sister for a birthday, and she did a flip through, but she is going to do a project on camera with it as well, and it looked really pretty on camera. It always surprises me, I've got it in front of me and stuff, but when you see it on camera it's like, oh, I don't know, it's just strange. I don't know, it's nice. And I sometimes don't kind of recognise it, and I'm like, oh yeah, that's one of mine. Anyway, enough waffle. So we've got a lovely picture on this side, and then we've got some faux lace. So when you've got it folded in half, you've got a bit each side. Obviously, I've not cut my edges off, and like I say, I've not printed on the other side. Yeah, and I've obviously done it on white paper. So we've got a plainer page on this side with a little mushroom there. Another one. I've brought the camera closer to, because this room is dark, I thought you'd be able to see better, but then unless it's down there, you don't kind of see all of it, and I don't seem to be able to get my camera any higher. I think that might be better if I just leave it there. Okay, that's that one. Got another one. Beautiful images. And that one. And that one. So that's the last of those sort. Then we've got some lined ones. So again, you know, when folded in half, you've got a little image each side. And obviously you can tear around these if you wanted the images. And another one. I do like lined pieces, I think, and then I've done them plain without this text behind. So what is the 3? Yeah, so they're exactly the same, they've just not got that text in them. But yeah, I just think sometimes when you've got lined paper, I think it's easier to write on. Sometimes plain, I think, can be a little bit daunting. So we've got this one on a lovely aged background. She looks like she's either counting because they're playing hide and seek, or she's not very happy. She could have been told off or having a bit of a tantrum. And then we've got these two. I think she's definitely playing hide and seek, or she's fell asleep. Okay. And then we've got it with the text behind. Okay. And then we've got some plain, you know, coloured backgrounds. So we've got that beautiful blues. So, you know, like watercolours or going into each other. And we've got it in a greeny colour. It's like a greeny blue. And then we've got some beautiful fairy-like backgrounds with swirls and lots of colours. Got it in a deeper colour. You'll have to excuse Colin. Got that one and that one, so very similar, just different colourways. And obviously that one, you know, really matches that one, and that one really matches that one. I have a lot of fun, you know, matching the colours up and things. That is one of the things that I really do enjoy doing the kits. So we've got a background one and another background one, so music one, which is upside down. And I've put a plain lined one in and a plain grungy one. Then we've got these two. Excuse my those funny colours there, that's my printer. So these are like, you know, storybooks, because it is you know, supposed to be a fairy tale storybook type thing. So that's those two. So they're the pages, so lots of journaling pages and backing pages, you know, to make your own ephemera. Then we've got these. I'm going to leave them that side. These can be used as little booklets or folding journal cards, or obviously just cut singly. And again, you'll probably want to print on the opposite side, and they can be used as these you know, folios. So that part is obviously one of these, and this one is, you know, well, you could use either, couldn't you? And then you've got a diagram here of, you know, how you can put it together, but obviously you can do what you want. And again, that would want printing at the back. And then this is another one of those type folios. I've got lots of pockets and things. Okay, so that's that. And then we've got this tag pocket. Love this print, and then the tag to go in, and it's a fold up one, but obviously you can break it up and use them individual. I thought I was going to say something else about something, but it went out of my head. These again, you know, I call these the note papers, and they fit into these envelopes. So if you wanted to send somebody a letter, I love that. Okay, and I've put that in as if you wanted to use it as a, you know, glue that down and put it onto your flap, or you could put it at the front. So that's that one. Again, it would want printing on the back. Then we've got this beautiful one. And we've got some of the wings and love art, which I think both me and Denise have used on screen before. So you can attach them to, you know, an opening piece. I've done them in you know, in the middle of a journal, so you open it up and you've got the wings. I think Denise has done them on a page. I think she's also used them singly at the back of tags as you know, an extra writing piece. So again, versatile pieces. If you did them two to a page, you'd also, you know, have different sizes. Then with this cute little thing, so that's kind of, you know, a folio type thing. And then we've got some tiny pockets and tags, and then some little butterflies. Okay, and then we have some fussy cuts, which I would I don't think I won't be working with this kit this year. I can't fit it in, but I would definitely print these off two to a page as well. I like doing them big because I just think you've got more versatility, and then, you know, you've got the option to do two to a page as well. These are some like paint samples. You could obviously cut them down there, use it as a belly band or something, or, you know, cut them out individually. Use your hole punch. So some lovely arrangements. See another one. Then we've got some mushrooms and butterflies and dragonflies and ladybirds. Again, a great one to do two to a page. And there is 4, so, you know, you'll be able to print them two to a page, and, you know, that'll just take 2 pages up. I'm sure you know what you're doing, but so we've got some fairies and some more arrangements. Now, I thought these would be nice. You could make those into pockets. You could tear round them and just have them as page decoration. You can obviously, you know, take pieces from them. You could cut them out. I think you could use it as a side tuck. You could do a wavy, you know, that kind of thing. So that's that one. So that is the kit. Yeah, I think it's really pretty, really fun, cutesy kit, and I'm really looking forward to seeing Denise work with it. So thank you very much. Like I say, there'll be no more flip throughs for a while. I'm just getting geared up for for fall. And yeah, it's one of my favourite times because I do love the colours. So I'm really enjoying, you know, starting to create those. Okay, that's it from me for today, and yeah, I'll hopefully see you very soon. Bye for now.